Car Story research indicates this vehicle as being a great deal that is hard to find at this price. Fuel efficient and certified pre-owned. Features also include alloy wheels, rear view camera, third row seating, hands-free Bluetooth integration, and has been listed as an IIHS top safety pick. With these ratings, we are pleased to show you the 2018 Odyssey. The Honda Odyssey is a showcase of distinguished style, captivating technology, and advanced safety features. A must for all families. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: aluminum wheels, traction control, daytime running lights, remote keyless entry, FWD, headlights auto off, mirror memory, security system, cruise control, trip computer. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.
With Honda certified pre-owned vehicles, you know you're going to be taken care of. Thorough inspections, both limited and powertrain warranties, all provide the comfort you're looking for in a pre-owned vehicle. Stop by your local Honda dealer today to see why the Honda certified program is worth looking into.